if I told you how much stuff I don't pay attention to, because if I don't care enough about it to do a deep dive on it, I'm not giving it any attention. So I'm really oblivious to a lot of the news going on, because when I'm spending my attention on, it really matters to me. And I think if more people decided to do that, one, would have a less opinionated world, but people would be so much more successful because their time would be spent on things that actually matter.
It's the happiness for me. Like a girl hit me yesterday when I was at dinner and she was like, you heard about why Nicki Minaj doesn't support the city girls? I said, no, sis, I didn't tune into that because I don't care. Like,
first of all, we can talk about it. At this age, if you hit me with something like that, I'm probably either not responding or blocking your number. Because if you're my friend at this age and you're taking away from my focus to put my focus on something that you know doesn't matter, you don't care about me as a person, bro. You don't care about me as a person.
She wasn't my friend. She wasn't my friend. Remember that pay a compliment to a stranger thing?
Oh, yeah.
That's what you get in return. So, pretty quickly.